We have new details in a deadly house fire in St. Paul overnight. Fire officials believe a space heater is to blame. Jason Rantle is in the newsroom with how they say you can stay safe during cold winter nights. Jason?
Hi, Frank. Well, space heaters provide warmth when the temps dip, but if they're not used correctly, they can, of course, be deadly. This warning from St. Paul fire officials comes after this late night fire in St. Paul's Payne-Phelan neighborhood. Firefighters say a man is dead and 4 others are now without a home. They say investigators were told one of the men who lived there woke up to a pillow on fire near a space heater. Fire crews say when you use a portable heater, keep it 3 feet away from anything that's combustible, whether that's blankets, furniture, or clothes. This rule should be followed even with newer space heaters, they say.
The newer ones do have a temperature-controlled device that will turn them off if they tend to overheat. But the problem is, whether it's newer or older, that's for the device itself. It doesn't prevent having a pillow, a curtain, a blanket within 3 feet of the space heater.
St. Paul Fire says there have been 5 fatal fires this year. Well, the space heater is the suspected cause. Firefighters say we won't know officially for 2 or 3 days. Frank.
Okay. Jason, thanks.